overwhelmingly beautiful from up here. I just keep thinking about everyone down there.
And then I realized the sample pouch wasn't sealed, so the cranberries were everywhere.
You're still finding those behind the racks, aren't you?
Did you see the look on his face when the synth steak floated away?
It was priceless. I almost lost my dessert, too.
You guys are terrible.
Watch the clearance on Module 3.
Got it. Securing the payload now. Almost done here.
I'm seeing an anomaly on the furnace readout. The temperature is fluctuating.
Copy that. Checking the auxiliary relays now.
I'm showing a fault isolation on R3. Try reseating the connector.
Okay, the calibration is running now. Looks good, we have a solid lock.
Excellent.
Acoustic check, sequence Alpha 9. The fabric walls show excellent sound absorption across the mid-range frequencies.
Columbus reporting in. All primary systems are stable and within operational parameters. We are ready to proceed with the scheduled payload deployment.
Roger, Houston. We have positive grapple and hard capture confirmed.
Straps secure. How are the regulators looking?
All green on my side. Your suit integrity is nominal.
Helmets locked. Ready for depress. The component is free of the bracket. Moving to temporary stowage position.
Incredible. It's diffusing exactly as predicted.
The finest tendrils are perfectly undisturbed.
The life support cycle is critical. This technology converts yesterday's waste into today's drinking water, ensuring survival.
Look at the eye wall structure on that.
Incredible definition in the visible spectrum.
Oh yeah. We need to track the shear on the western side.
Houston, We have a rapid depressurization. The gauge is failing.
Copy that, Alpha. Initiate emergency sequence 19er.
The pressure seal is holding.
All right, new orders. Beta quadrant is compromised. We reroute through engineering. Move.
Everybody to your posts, immediately! Go, go, go! Ugh. I'm in the main airlock, sealing now.
We have a pressure drop in sector gamma.
I have the source. Confirmed micro fissure at panel 7. Moving to containment.
Reviewing the telemetry from the solar flare impact.
The shielding held better than expected. We got lucky this time.
Very lucky. All systems nominal.
Welcome to Node 3. The atmospheric levels are stable, but keep an eye on this conduit here.
Understood. We have the watch. Godspeed. Goodbye, home of 6 months. Thank you for keeping me safe.
Andres, it's been an honor.
Godspeed, Crew Dragon. See you back home.